Hey guys, welcome to the kitchen today. I wanted to bring you guys in. Today we're making a crab salad. I got started just a little bit ahead of time. Let me bring you in. Check this out. I have my base. I have one of the cans of crab meat in there. What we have in here right now, the liquid stuff, is some apple cider vinegar, great base. I have a little bit of my house seasoning.
How much apple cider vinegar would you say you put?
I put about a cup in. You really don't need much more than that. All you're looking for is a little bit of tang. Okay?
And the reason why we used a cup is probably because we're doing it in a mass quantity, right?
Not a mass quantity. This will probably feed anywhere from 12 to 15 people.
Really?
Yeah.
That is awesome.
Yeah. I got a house seasoning. This house seasoning, if you know, you know. If you don't, come up with your own. I'm not going to tell you. The next thing that we're going to put in is we're going to put in some black olives. Black olives go great in crab salad. And then the only thing that we use here in the South, Duke's mayo. With Duke's mayo, we're going to put in probably about a cup and a half. You don't want too much, but you want just enough to cover the pasta. We're going to actually use an organic tricolored pasta, and we're just going to use 2 boxes. You can get this at any of your supermarkets. The tricolored pasta just has a great taste. Great taste. We're actually using 2 kinds of crab meat today. We're using the claw meat and the other meat. It's going to really give our crab salad a great flavor. Should we drain this? Okay guys, so let's get with this. Let's mix some of these ingredients. What we're going to do right now, we're going to mix some of our black olives. Like I said, 2 cans. These black olives are really going to add a nice contrast to the pasta and the crab meat. Okay, next, let's get our claw meat in there. Look at this.
Oh, doggy.
Absolutely beautiful. Great taste. This is going to make for the perfect weekend, just the perfect weekend lunch. Having your friends over and everything, this is going to be great. Now we have the peppers and onions. You can get this at Walmart or any store that you have by. These are actually really sweet and really add a great taste and really kind of, they really make the dish pop. It's really cool. Look at the reds, the greens, the onions really nice. So we're going to add these. I'm going to get all these in there. All right guys, now what we're going to do now is we're going to start folding this in there. Actually, you know what? I would suggest if you had gloves, use the gloves. Get in there with your hands. I'm big on using my hands. Get in there. Look at that. Look how pretty. Look at all the colors. Think about this time of year with the breeze outside and how pretty it is outside, and having this nice meal outside and serving this to your friends and family. This is going to be great. All right, guys, now we're down to our next part. Our pasta's all done. Look at that beautiful tricolored pasta. Organic tricolored pasta. It's organic. We got about 2 pounds here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna dump this in. Look at this. Still got a piece of ice in there. Let's set that on the table. We don't want any more water in this than we have to. Make sure and drain everything, especially your cans and everything.
So why was there ice in it?
Whenever we got done cooking it, we set everything to the side and put some ice water in it to cool everything down, so that we can get everything in here really well.
So you blanched the pasta?
Yes, you did. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to dump a little bit of garlic in here right on top. We're going to put probably about 2 tablespoons in. Then what we are going to do, house seasoning. What I would suggest, since I'm not going to tell you my exact recipe on house seasoning, is I would suggest. Okay, so next you want to use your house seasoning, any kind of seafood house seasoning. What we're going to do is we're going to put about 2 tablespoons in.
Oh, that looks so good.
The next thing, the Pierre Resistance, Duke's mayo. I suggest not using anything else. This is going to be about a cup and a half. This is going to bind everything together. This is going to make it where it's just the perfect dish. Then use your hands. Get everything mixed in.
Oh man, my God, that looks so good, bro.
This is going to be the perfect Sunday afternoon, Saturday afternoon, out at the park. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those onions. Look at those colors. Look at all that. The seasoning, everything. This is going to be so refreshing on a nice, warm, breezy Sunday afternoon. This is going to make everybody happy. This is where that good is. As Marv Lagasse would say, bam!
Boom!
He didn't say boom, he said bam. This is where it's at.
And what is it now?
Crab salad. Tell us what you think.
Yeah, I like this.
Tastes good?
Yeah. No, bro.